Greg just sent me this video of Carmack talking, and it reminds me a lot of how I feel about most enterprise jobs.
Almost a decade ago now, when I made the decision that I wanted to branch out from my computer geek background into the world of aerospace. And so after having kind of made that decision, I buckled down, I studied hard for a year or so, and I reached the somewhat surprising conclusion that this actually wasn't all that complicated, that in many ways it's kind of simple compared to a lot of things that we do nowadays in the modern world. I mean, the work that I do in video games is actually far more complicated than the aerospace work. But the aerospace work, while it may be simple, is not easy.
That might be why he's moved on to AI now, but I'm just curious, do you all agree? Do you think that enterprise stuff is generally quite a bit easier? That's always been my thought. I felt like it's difficult, don't get me wrong, still hard, but way, way easier than game stuff. Also, quite a bit less rewarding in my personal experience, or personal opinion. Anyway, see you later.